Good morning, my student. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our English class. So today we are going to start our English grammar chapter number 19, conjunction. Chapter number 19, conjunction. What is a conjunction? Conjunctions are words used to join words or sentences together. Conjunctions are words used to join words or sentences together. It means conjunctions are those words which are used to join. It means join means to connect. Okay, it used to join the words or sentences together. वो word जो आपस में words और sentences को क्या करते हैं, जोड़ते हैं. That words are known as conjunction. Okay, clear? Now let's see the example. Here the example is Suman and Rita are sisters. Suman and Rita are sisters. Again here we are talking about the two words, that is Suman and Rita. Okay, Suman and Rita. So between Suman and Rita we use the word and. So and is a conjunction. And is a conjunction. Next, would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea? Again we are using the two word coffee, tea. Okay, so you are asking that what would you like? मीन्स आप क्या प्रेफर करोगे, कॉफी और टी. सो बिटवीन द टू वर्ड कॉफी और टी यू आर गिविंग द ऑप्शन. सो वी यूज द वर्ड दैट इज और इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ conjunction. Clear? Yes. Now there are three types of conjunction. How many? Three. Okay, which one they are? First is coordinate conjunctions, second subordinating conjunction, and third one is correlated conjunction. First is coordinate conjunctions, second is subordinating conjunctions, and third one is correlated conjunction. Let's see the first one, that is coordinate conjunction. What is coordinate conjunction? Coordinate conjunctions link words or sentence of equal importance. The sentence makes complete sense by itself without the conjunction. Okay, what are coordinate conjunction? Coordinate conjunction are that which links the word or sentence of equal importance. It means when the two or three sentence having a equal importance. Okay, means जब दो या थ्री सेंटेंस की जो इम्पोर्टेंस होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं, इक्वल होते हैं. The sentence make complete sense by itself. Okay, the sentence make a complete sense by itself. They do not require any conjunction to complete the sense. Okay, for example of coordinate conjunction are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. This all are the example of coordinate conjunction. Okay, you can also remember the words with a fan boys. Okay, you can also remember the word fan boys. Okay, this word is made up of with this words. Okay, you can see the starting letter of every words. Okay, see for F, and A, then nor, and, but, B, or, O, yet, why, so, yes, like yes, like this word is made fan boys. Okay, you can remember the word fan boys. These are the example of coordinate conjunction. Let's see the example. Yes, example, Amit is playing, Rohit is playing. Here the sentence are independent, है ना. Amit is playing. Okay, Amit क्या कर रहा है, खेल रहा है. Rohit is playing. Both the sentence are independent. Okay, they do not require any conjunction. Now we can add a conjunction here to make the sentence short and easy. Okay, for that what we have done, we added the conjunction here. Amit and Rohit are playing. Okay, Amit and Rohit are playing. So we use the word conjunction and is a coordinate conjunction. Okay, and is a coordinate conjunction. Clear? Next one, it was raining, she did not go out. It was raining. Again this sentence is also independent. It was raining means बारिश हो रही थी. She did not go out. इसलिए वो बाहर नहीं गई. Okay, subordinating conjunction in that sentences. For example, he ran, he was late. He ran, full stop, he was late. Okay, here both the sentences are dependent on each other. So in this sentence we will use a subordinating conjunction. Okay, let's see. He ran because he was late. He ran because he was late. So we use here because is a subordinating conjunction. Clear? Next, you can succeed, work hard. You can succeed, work hard. Again, both the sentences are dependent on each other. So we use a subordinating conjunction between them. You can succeed if you work hard. So here we use if. If is a subordinating conjunction. Clear all of you? Yes. Now next one is correlated conjunction. What is correlated conjunctions? Correlated conjunctions is a pair of joining words that connects words and sentences. Okay? Correlated conjunction is a pair of joining words. Pair means two. Okay? It's a pair of joining words that connects words and sentences. Like both and neither nor either or. Okay, these are the correlated